Welcome to Kalapira Forecasting and Tamil Chandai. This is Suresh Kumar. Now we are going to look our next part of how to draw planetary lines. So already two parts are finished. Now before going to do calculation, this session we need to understand the basics of planet behavior. Okay, so that is you need to understand. Then only you come to know how this chart is getting. Okay. So that basic things are everybody known one, but I'm clearly explaining here. See, we are using a 9 planets. Each planet having an exaltation and debilitation. We can say peak or deep, ucha, nicha, like that. So what is exaltation? For example, already one of my YouTube video explained about Uttarayana and Dakshinayana. So same manner. Now look. Suppose you take it as sun exaltation at Aries, debilitation at Libra. So exaltation part is 0 degree, debilitation degree is 180 degree, Sun. So now look, each and every planet getting exaltation and debilitation in particular degree. So where it is getting exaltation, exact 180 degree it getting a debilitation. So exaltation means that planet is very closest distance with our Earth. That is called exaltation. So now look, Sun is exaltation and Aries. So normally you look April, May month, we are getting a more sun energy. That is temperature is too high because Sun is very closest to our Earth. That is called exaltation. So exaltation time we can receive the energy maximum from that planet. That is what exaltation. Debilitation period you look, it will come on around October, November. Look, the sun energy we are getting very lowest. Okay, so this is called mainly exaltation and debilitation. So each and every planet when reach that particular area, it getting a distance, longest distance from the earth is called a debilitation, closest distance from our earth is called a exaltation. Okay, so sun 0 degree when it reach, we are saying a mesha, that is Aries. So sun is exaltation, that is sun is very closest to our earth. So from this close to, it will again go to 90 degree. So equinox 90 degree to 180 degree, debilitation 180 to 270, again equinox, again 270 to 0 degree, peak. So this is cycle. Planetary cycles means it having a one peak, one deep, one exaltation point, one debilitation point. Combination is called cycle, planetary cycle. So now here each and every planet coming closest distance to our earth and going longest distance to our earth. So this point is valid point. So now Venus, suppose you take it, a Venus is getting exaltation at here, that is Pisces. So from there it is starting to debilitation. So when Venus is debilitation finished at Virgo, from there it trying to move towards the exaltation. Exaltation finished means it moving towards the debilitation. So this is what basic understanding of planetary cycle. So where it getting a debilitation, where it getting a exaltation. Exaltation finished means it moving towards the debilitation. Debilitation finished means it moving towards the exaltation. So which are the point it getting debilitation, which are the point it getting a exaltation. That point is a important point for draw our planetary lines. Okay, so this is the third part. So keep on this, please understand this is a basic. Okay, Now we have to move for next video for calculation, how to calculate this, then how to apply this. So one by one I explain. So if you finish all the video, all the content in one video, means it will take more time lengthy of videos. It will give more what is it, the interest will get down. So one by one video I will release. So if you like, just forward this to your friends. Once we finish this content, you will get a good knowledge. Definitely you came to know how much planetary lines are working very well in market. Okay, so very nice to see this. Now I quit this. If anybody want more knowledge, just join my classes, tamilchandai.in. Okay, thank you very much.